Hey guys, if you are looking for best HDMI cable for PS5, you choose right video. Today we going to review top 5 best HDMI cable for PS5. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Capture HDMI cable for PS5. Capture 6.6 feet 8K HDMI cable, compatible with your PS5 and Xbox Series X. Unleash hyper-responsive action and silky smooth gameplay with a blazing fast 4K at 120Hz experience. Whether dominating online battles or exploring expansive landscapes, every pixel bursts with breathtaking detail and zero lag, offering an unrivaled gaming thrill. This future-proof cable catapults your 8K TV experience to new heights with support for 8K at 60Hz visuals. Dive into movies, TV shows, and games with textures so crisp, it feels like stepping into the screen. Crafted for endurance, Capshi's braided nylon jacket ensures longevity, withstanding daily twists and turns in your entertainment setup. Gold-plated connectors guarantee a reliable, corrosion-resistant connection for years to come. More than a mere cable, Capture is an investment in premium entertainment. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, movie enthusiast, or quality seeker, this cable unlocks a world of immersive experiences. With an ultra-fast 48 gigabits per second bandwidth supporting 4K at 120Hz and 8K at 60Hz, a durable braided nylon jacket for long-lasting performance, and gold-plated connectors ensuring reliable signal transmission, Capture goes beyond expectations. Versatile across HDMI versions, including 2.1 and 2.0, it's perfect for PS5, Xbox Series X, TVs, monitors, and more. Now our second product is stouchi HDMI cable for PS5. Stouchi 6 feet 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, vivid 8K at 60Hz clarity for movies and TV shows, or dive into hyper-responsive 4K at 120Hz action on your gaming console. Power up your PS5 and Xbox Series X to witness gaming at its finest. Enjoy silky smooth frame rates and razor-sharp details that pull you deep into the screen. Every pixel bursts to life, animations flow seamlessly, and reactions are instantaneous. Its premium nylon braided jacket ensures resilience for daily use, while the gold-plated connectors offer a flawless, corrosion-resistant connection that lasts. From streaming sticks like Apple TV and Roku to projectors and monitors, this cable serves as your universal adapter to stunning visuals. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a movie enthusiast, or someone who values quality. Boasting blazing fast 48 gigabits per second transmission speeds for buttery smooth visuals, featuring a durable nylon braided jacket and gold-plated connectors for long-lasting performance, and certified for the latest HDMI 2.1 standard, this cable is compatible with all your favorite devices: PS5, Xbox Series X, Apple TV, Roku, and more. Our third product is SnowKids HDMI cable for PS5. SnowKids 10 feet 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, 8K at 60Hz clarity, butter-smooth 4K at 120Hz action, and immersive 3D effects, all delivered with precision and zero lag. This cable becomes your secret weapon, erasing input lag and blurry frames, ensuring every pixel radiates stunning detail and hyper-responsive action, whether you're mastering the PC realm or dominating console gaming. It's the key to unlocking your 8K TV's visual prowess, transforming movie and show experiences. Witness textures so crisp and colors so vibrant that you'll feel transported into the screen. Crafted for resilience, SnowKids' premium nylon braided jacket withstands the rigors of daily entertainment setups, while gold-plated connectors guarantee a reliable, corrosion-resistant connection that remains steadfast. Whether you're a dedicated movie buff, a casual gamer, or someone who appreciates quality, unlocking the potential of your 10K, 8K, and 4K devices, boasting high-speed 48 gigabits per second transmission for seamless visuals. Now number 4, Highwings HDMI cable for PS5. Highwings 8K HDMI 2.1 Cable 2-pack. Embrace the brilliance of 8K at 60Hz clarity, the thrill of 4K at 120Hz action, and immersive 3D effects, all delivered with lightning-fast precision and devoid of lag. These cables are your ace in the hole, eliminating input lag and blurry frames to breathe life into every pixel with stunning detail and immediate response. Whether you wield a PC or command a console, Highwings amplifies your gaming rig's capabilities to the fullest. This future-proof duo unlocks the visual splendor of your 8K TV, transforming your movie and show experiences into vivid, lifelike encounters. Witness textures so crisp and colors so vibrant that you'll feel transported into the screen itself. Crafted for resilience, Highwings premium nylon braided jackets withstand the rigors of daily entertainment setups. Meanwhile, gold-plated connectors ensure a dependable, corrosion-resistant connection that never falters. Whether you're a committed movie buff, a casual gamer, or someone who values quality, Highwings 8K HDMI 2.1 Cable 2-pack opens doors to immersive experiences. And our last choice is Ocker HDMI Cable for PS5. Ocker's 10 feet 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, designed to unleash the full potential of your viewing and gaming experiences. Imagine indulging in 10K at 60Hz clarity, immersive 8K at 60Hz detail, and rapid 4K at 120Hz action, all delivered with impeccable precision and zero lag. This cable becomes your secret weapon, eliminating input lag and blurry frames, ensuring every pixel pulsates with vibrant clarity and hyper-responsive action, whether you're conquering realms on the PS5 or dominating battles on Xbox. It's the key to unlocking your 8K TV's potential, offering a movie and show-watching experience like never before. Crisp textures and vibrant colors draw you into the screen, transforming your viewing into a vivid, lifelike encounter. Crafted for endurance, Ocker's premium nylon braided jacket withstands the twists and turns of daily entertainment setups. Meanwhile, the gold-plated connectors guarantee a reliable, corrosion-resistant connection that doesn't falter. Whether you're an ardent movie enthusiast, a casual gamer, or someone who values quality, Ocker's 10 feet 8K HDMI 2.1 cable is your ticket to immersive experiences. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.